In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Nasdaq index. My dear friends, this index is on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the index simultaneously, and as a result it gives us an opportunity to buy this index. We can initiate and buy position before a massive upside rally gets start. This index is ready to give you an 800 points on the upper end in a very short span of time. And my dear friends, this index was trading near to an important resistance, and that level has also been broken out. Along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and due to which all these positive factors, we could see a massive upside blow. And my dear friends, this is an opportunity where we can capitalize, and we can capitalize an handsome amount of profit by initiating in long positions. And my dear friends, this index was under corrections since from December 2024. Index has almost spent 1.5 month almost under corrections, and and interestingly, the index has given both type of corrections, price wise corrections and time wise correction too. And ultimately now the stock had given a multiple breakouts, which indicating that stock is ready for an upside move, and that we're going to see on the chart. If you'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where the corrections was started in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the index was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, it was trigger the index back to back trigger with continuously lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows was trigger here, the second lower lows over here, the third lower lows, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is in confirmations that indicating that index has completed the corrections. Here we got a two major positive signal. The very first positive signal is the downward sloping parallel channel, which was acting as a strong resistance that got broken out on the upper end. And the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever in the chart we see, whenever you'll see the chart, and if you find the lower lows are getting shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that index has completed the corrections, and it will now very soon start an upside move. And my dear friends, here along with that we will also check the diversion. If you'll see, you will able to see the positive hidden diversion over here. If you'll place an RSI indicators, you will witness the price actions lower lows is shifting on the upper end, but the same thing in the RSI, it shifted on the downside, and here we got a breakout that will going to pump and positive impact on the stock on the upper side. And finally, but not the least, the final is the chart pattern. If you'll see, even the positive chart pattern structure, we got a breakout here. If you'll see, we got a clear breakout of the range breakout. Just a moment. My dear friends, if you'll see over here, we got a clear range breakout over here, and this is in neckline. And my dear friends, this the target of this pattern is almost an 800 points from the current price, and very soon you will see the target. Very soon you will see the index will be reaching to a point of 22,600. 22,600 very soon you will witness. And before to that, there are some resistance. This is a resistance area, so there may be a possibility that index may face rejections at $22,123. This is an area where there could be a possibility that index may face and rejections, and due to that it may come back to retest the neckline, and then again it will bounce back to to chase the targets. So there may be a possibility that index may face and rejection near to this blue line. So be very careful, and you have to make your mindset ready that your stock value will going to down if it's facing rejections, but no need to worry. Anyway, it will, whenever it will came near to a neckline, the area of neckline will act as a strong support, and it will push the index on the upper end. And my dear friends, I just also want to conclude with you that this area of neckline will going to play a very important role, because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end. This was an area where we have witnessed lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have identified the positive diversion, positive hidden diversion between the RS price action indicators, between the price actions and the RSI indicators. And this was an area where we have witnessed the parallel channel breakout. So with due respect of all these positive factors, this area of neckline, which was an resistance, now it has turned into an important support. And due to this important support, your stop loss should be below this. If you want to keep your stop loss below this important support, so that it won't get triggered so easily. That's it, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, please give a like to my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, so that it motivates me to make you a more, reliable content, more benefits content, and more good breakouts for you, so that you can earn a more amount before anything goes in any directions. Thanks, my dear friends. Bye bye.